We are hooked up. First cast, he followed me in. I had a leaf on my lure. He ended up eating the leaf. I cast it again. He ate the Ghost Rainbow J-Spec by Dynamic Lures. I'm here fishing with the Trout guys. I'm about to get a net job from them. That is a nice brown. Yes, sir.
That's a nice one, dude. That's a rock.
Thanks for that net job, brother. All right, we're gonna get pictures in the release. All right. The Trout guys are hooked up. I'm gonna go net this guy. Looking like a rainbow. Tip up, tip up, tip up. Nice fish. We're here at Yellow Creek Trout Club. Caught a nice 20-inch brook trout. Some healthy fins on it. Here's its release. And by the way, we caught it on the Dynamic Lures Ghost Rainbow J-Spec. See you, buddy. We're hooked up. Nice fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hold on, I got him, I got him, I got him. Oh. Stay up, stay up.
That's a rock, dude. Oh, that's a nice dude.
Oh! I told you I don't give up on that spot, man. It's a good spot.
Yeah,
Show him, show him. On the Ghost Rainbow J-Spec, what I've been using all day. Awesome brown. Awesome brown to end this session with the Trout guys. We're gonna be doing a lot of Dynamic Lures and Trout guys collaborations. Beautiful fish. Here's the release.